So it's been a couple years since I've been using the Gillette heated razor, and I love it. It's been great. And so I wanted just to set expectations if you're thinking about getting it. So first of all, I love just the heat on my face. It makes it, for me, a better experience. I can get 2 to 3 shaves per charge. So that's the expectations I would set for yourself. And then what I do after every charge is that I charge up the handle so it's ready to go for future uses. If you're traveling and it's going to be an extended period of time, then you probably want to take the charger with you. So that is my thoughts as far as using the product and expectations. For the blade, I have almost gotten close to a year out of this blade. I use the Blade Buddy, which I've had for years, and I just, every day before I get into the shower, which I like to shave to open up the pores, that helps with keeping the blade sharper. At least it appears that way. I have switched to this shaving cream, and I'll put a link to it. It's supposed to be a better, healthier, as far as ingredients. This is now NutriShave. Let me put it on just so you can get an idea what it's like. And so I usually put on half of my face, and then I put it on the other half when I'm done to make sure I get a little bit of a lather. It doesn't really lather up that much, but it's kind of thin the way it goes on. And so again, I just do half of my face. All right, now that we got that on, I'm gonna go ahead and I put it on the high. Clean my hand here, and the heat comes on right away, and it feels so good. Such a smooth shave. Again, this is the same blade for almost a year that I've been using. So check it out today. I'll put my other review as well. I am generally a faster shaver. If you've ever seen my videos, people are like, slow down, but it's just my tendency. And I do go over the same spot sometimes, a few times, just my nature to do that. I don't nick myself. I don't irritate my skin. It works out okay. So there you go. Check it out today. Love the Gillette heated razor. Wouldn't trade it for anything. Definitely worth the money. Have a great day. Happy shaving.